Meaning of hot seat.
Hot seat.
Hot seat.
Hot seat.
Hot seat. The term hot seat is often used to describe a situation where someone is under intense pressure or scrutiny, particularly in a public or high-stakes setting. It can refer to a variety of scenarios, such as a job interview, a press conference, or a courtroom trial. In these situations, the person in the hot seat is expected to perform or answer questions under significant stress and scrutiny. The outcome of being in the hot seat can vary, but it often has significant consequences for the individual and can impact their reputation, career, or even freedom.